Thukuru-inĩ wa imwana wa Merisho Isinya kaunti-inĩ ya Kajiado, mĩhang'o ya kũingĩria arutwo kĩrathi-inĩ kĩa grade ya 10 no iratwarithio na mbere, aciari gũkũ makĩonekana kũiganĩra na mũbango wa thirikari wa gũthukĩra arutwo mĩeke thukuru-inĩ itiganĩte cia gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
They did a selection of a number of areas they want to pursue as far as competency-based education is concerned, and we can confirm beyond reasonable doubt that looking closely at the KJCR results that they got, you realize that it placed every learner in where they can do better in terms of how they performed and what they can do as advised with the pathway.
Nĩ matũgĩrĩtie mũtaratara wa mathomo wa CBE makiuga ona thengia wa mĩhĩnga ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩrĩ mũtaratara-inĩ ũyũ ũrĩ na ũguni kũrĩ arutwo.
Indeed, we have seen a lot of changes in terms of children getting the independence, getting the skills to do their own things, and being here, I really feel that it's just going to unlock and stretch them to their beyond their limits and unlock their capacity.
I really appreciate CBE in one way or the other. As much as we are the pioneers, and there was a lot of confusion because at first we really didn't know where we are from now the choices that we had. Like my son is in STEM and also in arts and sports. At first there was a lot of confusion, but we like it because now we are bringing up wholesome students who are well blended in the society, not only in education but also in matters, talent and maybe their gifts.
Moretie thirikari kwarĩra mĩtaratara ya gũtigĩrĩra mĩhĩnga yothe nĩ yathengio mũtaratara-inĩ ũyũ wa mathomo nĩguo kũhotithia arutwo kwamũkĩra mathomo na njĩra igwete na kũhe aciari ihũmũka.
I think the CBE is an answer to unemployment in this country. We know the 844 was basically concerned with the exams. That's basically rote learning or knowledge based. But now the CBE is looking at the skills, the attitudes that the students are able to develop in their curriculum. So for me, CBE is a nice system. So let us engage the students as parents and as teachers, because one of the competencies is collaboration. Most parents don't want to collaborate. They want to bring their kids to school and leave the teachers to do the work. But CBE is encouraging collaboration between the parents and the teachers.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma Merisho Isinya kaunti-inĩ ya Kajiado, ngetwo Wacuka wa Aciari.